Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. In today's video, I have a bit of a different kind of unboxing. So I received my Think Pink Sewscription Box 11, and I'm going to open it with you. But then instead of just pushing the publish button on the video, I'm going to then make a thing from the fabric I have in here and put all of it in one video so that you end up with the unboxing and the making of something with this fabric. Today is January 18th. This is the December box that was shipped out from Ireland, I think on the 9th or 10th of January. It typically takes about a week to get here. Now, I have been avoiding all unboxings up until now and have been successful. So this is going to be a bit of a surprise, but instead of then just putting the fabric in my stash until an idea comes to me, I'm going to right away think of a pattern to use with this fabric and then make the thing this month and then publish the video. So let's get started with the unboxing. All right, where am I going to put this? Ugh. Okay, so, oh, Andrea changed her little, so this talks to you about the box and what's in it. And, oh, this is so cool. And then there's a QR code to access a video for the month's box where Andrea basically talks about the fabric and tips and tricks and things. And this used to be on a plain piece of paper, and now it's all with the theme, which is awesome. So I'm going to watch that video later. Oh, the thread, which gives us a little bit of a clue as to the color, which I think I'm going to like. Nice. Oh, she also has new stickers. Look. Gosh, everything is on theme, Andrea. You are starting off the year with a bang. Look at this. All right, so here's our Think Pink postcard. And it says, when you start sewing when you're small, you get addicted to sewing when you're big. That is so cute. Look at this. Oh, awesome. So it's going to go up there on my wall. All right, what else have we got here? Right here, right now. Look at this sticker. How cool. A little notebook. Look how nice this is. I love this. Oh my gosh, look how nice this is. There's a little ruler here. And then a tiny little notepad, which will fit like in a handbag for like spur of the moment little notes or inspiration. Love this. Steel wire clips with a wide range of functions for sewing, other hobbies, and household. Oh. So a container full of these amazing clips. This is so cool. And you can actually use these to hang things. And the container is really nice. Love that. Make today great. Wow, is it just me or is there a lot of stuff in here? Oh, butter shortbread chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, I'm having these like right after I finish filming. And I'm just realizing now, I did order extra fabric. So this thread went with the extra fabric I ordered, not with this month's fabric. This month's thread is this. Lovely, lovely color. And here is the star of this show. Look at this. Oh, it's an amazingly soft viscose. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna love this. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my goodness. So I think there's 2.5 meters. So this month's box contains 2.5 meters of viscose fabric. And there are 2 colors available this month. So let me see the postcard. Oh yeah, the other one looks like a purple-ish, pinkish colorway. I got the gray bluish colorway. I love them both. I really love this. This is so outside of what I would choose for myself. That's what I love about this subscription box. It's like it just forces you to go a little bit outside your comfort zone. Like this definitely is not one of my colors, this mustard, but this soft pink is, and this navy, is it navy or black? It's almost black background is definitely in my colors. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. Oh my goodness. So 2.5 meters of this. So I'm gonna have a think and a play with my Stash Hub app and see what I've got in terms of patterns that would work. I'm not going to make a dress. I don't wear dresses all that much, and I think I would prefer a blouse of some kind, or a top with big billowy sleeves, long sleeves that I can wear into spring, because it doesn't get hot here before like June. So, okay, so I'm going to have a think and then come back on whenever I've made my decision and talk you through my choice, and then I'll show you the make at the end of it. So I'll be back. I'm back. Today is January 25th, and I am wearing my finished Think Pink garment. So in the end, I decided that I was going to use the Love Notions Rhapsody blouse to use this fabric on. Basically, I thought it was going to be the perfect fabric for it. It's nice and light and floaty. I made the bishop sleeves. I made the bridge hack on the neckline instead of the long ties. And I made my usual size. So this is an XL with the length shortened by 3.5 inches. I lengthened the sleeves by 2 inches to make sure there would be lots of poofiness, lots of volume, and I absolutely love my new blouse. Love my new blouse. It's gonna go amazingly well with black pants, because there is some black in here, some gray pants, and some burgundy pants, which I own. I own a pair of like Ponte type pants in this gorgeous burgundy color. So I'm so pleased with my blouse. I absolutely love it. All right, so as far as the making of this blouse, now I mentioned this before, but we got 2.5 meters of this, and I used probably 2 meters of it to make the blouse, but I also made the binding or the bias tape from the same fabric. And I use bias tape to hem this blouse. I've done this every time I've made it because it's not a significant curve at the bottom, but it is a curve. And I just find the finish is a lot neater using bias tape than it would be just turning it twice. And definitely neater than just serging the edges and turning it once. So the bias tape is really my preferred way of doing it. So although the pattern does not call for 2 meters of fabric, because I make so much bias tape with the same fabric, I think I used about 2 meters. Remember now, I also did lengthen the sleeves. I did run into some issues making this, and this was entirely my fault. I was so excited about making this blouse. I decided I needed to cut it and sew it one night very late. I was tired and my brain obviously wasn't turned on because I had to unpick the yoke seam. So in the back, there's a yoke in the back with a nice pleat. I had to unpick that twice. And then as I was doing the burrito, I don't know what I was doing, but I had to unpick the shoulder seam twice. So, and this viscose is not super delicate, but it was really starting to fray and look a little bit damaged. So after the second unpicking of the shoulder, I'm like, okay, obviously you're too tired. And I ended up going to bed and finishing it the next day. And then from then on, things went very, very smoothly. So public service announcement, if you're tired, do not sew something that does require brain power, because the burrito method, as magical as it is, I still need instructions to sew it. I still need the pictures showing me, what side goes to what side and all of that good stuff. So yeah, unpicking twice this viscose fabric was not fun, I have to say. The other issue I ran into, and that's because I wanted to finish it quickly and I did not look up the instructions for this bridge hack, and I just kind of winged it. And when I put on the top, there was a lot of gaping here. Like the V was basically just way too wide. It didn't look good. As I was wearing it and sitting in it, there was like a big, like, it was going like this, basically. It didn't look nice. So I took the lazy way out, and instead of unpicking it, shortening it, and just sewing it back up again, I basically did 2 little tucks. Like I turned the binding to the inside and stitched it down. I mean, this is such a busy print. You would have to be really close to me to notice that I've done that, I think. And if you're so close that you notice that, you're a little too close for comfort. So I'm fine with the fix I did. Yeah, all in all, I mean, the Rhapsody blouse is a TNT, or tried and true, for me. And I knew that it would come out beautifully. I knew the fabric would work, to make this pattern. So I didn't have the stress of, oh my gosh, did I pick the right fabric? Should I have done that? And I loved this fabric so much, I really didn't want to risk using it for something I've never done before. So I needed a sure thing for this fabric. And yeah, I'm really, really in love with the finished product. I wore it all day today for work, even though it is minus 12 degrees Celsius outside today and snowing again. Um, yeah, it's just super, super comfortable. Now this viscose is gorgeous and very, very nice, but a bit of a nightmare to make bias binding with. Now I have one of those bias tape makers, those thingies, but I hate it. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. I don't know if I just don't have the patience, but yeah, it just doesn't work for me at all. So I had to do the bias tape completely by hand, like the folding and pressing and then folding in again and pressing. And so that was very tedious in this fabric, I have to say. But other than that, this fabric was not difficult to sew with. So yes. So I'm very, very pleased I decided to do the unboxing and then showing you the make all in one video, because that really it didn't pressure me into making the garment right away. It motivated me to make up a garment right away, because I really don't want my subscription fabric to just languish in my stash. This is not an inexpensive box, and I mean, it is worth every penny, and I absolutely love receiving it. But I would not want the fabric I get to just stay in my stash for months and months. Also, I love that some of the fabric we get would not be my choice. If I were shopping online or in a store, I probably would not have bought this, but Andrea just sometimes pushes you a little bit outside your comfort zone. And I love that. I love it. So, and the result is something I'm definitely going to wear often. It's super comfortable. It's the perfect top for work and to be on video calls. So I'm really, really liking the unboxing and then make combo video, but I would love your feedback. Is this helpful? Are you enjoying this kind of video? Or would you prefer if I just did the unboxing by itself as soon as I get the box, and then just make the thing whenever and then show you during my regular makes videos? So I would love to know. Put some comments down below. All right, so that's going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up on your way out and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.